Creating high-converting landing pages on WordPress is easy with Builderall's Website Builder plugin.
This powerful tool allows users to design professional, responsive landing pages without coding, making it an excellent choice for marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses.
Why use Builderall's plugin for WordPress? Drag-and-drop editor effortlessly design landing pages with a simple, intuitive interface. Pre-design templates, choose from a variety of optimized templates for lead generation, sales, and promotions. SEO and mobile optimization, ensure fast-loading, mobile-friendly pages with built-in SEO tools.
Integration with marketing tools, connect with email marketing, CRM, and automation tools for seamless lead nurturing. Fast hosting and security, enjoy reliable hosting and secure performance for your landing pages. How to get started. 1. Install the Builderall Website Builder plugin on your WordPress site. 2. Choose a template or start from scratch using the drag-and-drop editor. 3. Customize content, forms, and call to actions to align with your goals. 4. Publish and optimize your landing page for conversions. Builderall's Website Builder plugin is a smart solution for WordPress users who want to create stunning landing pages without technical hassle. Whether you're capturing leads, promoting offers, or boosting sales, this tool makes it simple and effective.